Welcome to my channel. So today I am here to show you all how to read and display the image. So create a new script, press a shortcut key Ctrl N, or you can use the new button, and here the script is created, and here you need to specify the variable name image1 equal to, and you need to write the command imread and parenthesis and semicolon. In that parenthesis you need to add the inverted commas. So in that you need to specify the location of the image you want to display. Here I am going to use the image whichever I need. You can choose on your own. Here I am using mangocopy.jpg. So go to it properties by right clicking on it. Here copy the location and paste it between the inverted commas, and here you need to specify the name of the image. So add backslash, and here go to the properties, and here you need to copy the name of the image with its format. Here the format is .jpg, and paste it here. And now reading the image is completed, and then you need to display the image. So you need to write the command or code imshow. In that parenthesis you need to specify the variable where the image is stored, and now you can save it as tutorial1, or you can save as your wish. You can give any name, no any issue. And you need not to change the .m file so that it indicates that this is a MATLAB file, or else you can choose any other location. So save it, and by clicking on this run icon you can run, or else you can press the F5 key. So wait a minute, this is the image I want to display.